2022 Genesis GV80 3.5 turbo. So the larger engine, the 3.5 GV80, requires 2 air filters. I got these through Parts Geek. And of course, after I ordered, I found a cheaper place online, but we'll include both links for you in our comment section. First, pull the hood latch, and then the secondary latch is right underneath, always easy to find. Very first thing is we're going to snap off the center cover. Sometimes it can be a little stubborn, but don't worry, you're not going to break anything. Oops, I think I broke something. Just kidding. Okay, so the larger engine does have the 2 air filters, and each air filter cover has 3 little torque head screws. 1, 2, and the third one right back here. Back here are 2 hinges that we'll be lifting up. Here we go. Okay, so this is the old air filter. There's going to be 1 latch. We're just going to push that way. And then we lift it up and out. You can see there's an O-ring here. Here's the new one. So again, we'll put the O-ring in first. It's in nice and tight. And then that latch goes on just like that. So we're going to put the top back on. Remember, these little hinges are in the back, so they go in nice and easy like this, and then just lay this down, and again we'll put our 3 screws back in. Okay, we're going to do the other side. Again, 3 screws, and I just want to give you a reminder too, this has hardly got any power to it, but it's perfect for these little kinds of jobs because then you don't over torque it. So just to make sure you don't put it in upside down, remember there's the little thumb latch here, so there's 2 little guards for it. Not on the other side, this is your bottom. On the top side, here's your serial numbers, and here's your thumb latch guard. There we go. Okay, I'm a little bit of a geek. I do keep a log of when I change things, but also I like putting a little tag on the part that I changed. So this just has our mileage and it has the date that I changed it. Now, don't forget, I've got to put on this little T-shaped protective item. And here's actually where it's attaching, 1, 2, and 3, right back here.